Hey everyone. So I was looking at what people were doing yesterday, and there was maybe a little bit of confusion about how to actually go about doing this. So I just wanted to give you guys some troubleshooting and some kind of like a visual aid to help you with this. All right. So I've gone. First of all, make sure you go. Please, 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 please remember this website. It's so annoying when I have to say it over and over again. FHSA dot music first classroom dot com. You have to type in the whole thing. All right, you'll sign in. You'll come to, a, whatever this home page. Click the house button, go to software, and then enter the Soundtrap Studio. All right, when you're in Soundtrap, it'll look a little bit something like this. To have success on this recording project, you need to have your baseline. You have to have your punch list here available so you know exactly what to record. All right. So you got the melody guitar. I need to record this using my Soundtrap file, right? And you'll see here I've recorded a little melody up here that I'm going to build everything else on. Cool. All right. So now I've recorded that. If you want to put a date, today's the 2nd. We'll say yes. Okay, next I need to record my counter melody. So I come down here and I press the add new track button. Right. So let's say I've done that. I've chosen an instrument. You guys should be choosing your microphones, right? You should have selected your uh, your input as the fancy microphones that we have here at school. Not the laptop microphones. Those are not going to work, right? We have nice microphones for you guys to use, so please take advantage of them. Okay. Make sure your input, right? If I chose a microphone, make sure your input would be, your input would be the Scarlett 2i audio device. Since I'm not using a microphone here, I don't have to worry about that. I'm using my software instruments, right? So I'm checking my punch list. I'm now going to record a counter melody. So you may want to put on some headphones while you do this so you don't have the sound from the computer bleed into your recording. Okay, all right, I know what I'm going to play. Here we go. All right, it's a little sloppy, but again, I'm kind of making this up on the spot. So now I have my melody, my counter melody. Oh, I'm checking my punch list, right? Updating it. Now I need to go record a bass line. I'll add my new track. Since I'm using software instruments, I can check out all these funky cool basses. Okay, I decided I like this one, Apples. I don't like apples. I'm going to choose a different bass sound. Oh, it's not really a bass sound, is it? All right, that's good. So now I'll choose this one, go back to the beginning and record it. Funky, okay. But for today, this does the trick, right? Now, lastly, right, I'll update my punch list. Ooh. And now, lastly, I'll go in and I'll choose some drums. That'll do. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I see. I've accidentally selected that measure. Okay. So now I'm here on my vanilla track. I got a little bit confused because I had the background metronome going, but I'll record it one more time. All right, kind of a weird little melody, right? But I made it in about 5 minutes. Okay. You may want to fool with the tempo so that these sections line up with the bars of your song. You may not want to do that. I don't know how you know how in it you want to be, but that's my point. You need to go through each melody, counter melody, bass line, percussion, make those separate tracks, and then record each separately. Don't record everything in one big line all up, all up at once, and then be like, oh, I'm done. These have to happen at the same time. Um, okay, good luck. I hope this visual aid helps a little bit. When you're done, you'll be able to export this as an MP3 file, and it'll save to your computer. You can also export tracks to NoteFlight, which is kind of cool. But yeah, for today, let's have you guys. If you use the software instruments, you can export the tracks to a NoteFlight. If you don't use the software instruments, if you're using your recording, your microphone to record, which is what most of you are doing, then you'll need to then you can't export as a NoteFlight. Just you can export as a MP3. Okay, good luck everybody. I'll be around today to help you guys.